This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Max versus the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now the XS Max, this one has the A12 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. Galaxy S9 Plus has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Gotta give the boot up edge to the Galaxy S9 Plus. And we are in. Do have everything closed down in the background. Phone app. XS. Maybe the XS again. This one did have that animation. Ooh, very close on that one. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch. Leave that running. Safari and Samsung Internet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and search for GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Gotta give the edge to the S9 Plus on that. Scrolling through this, and let's go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar, a little bit faster on the right. Pinch to zoom. There you go. Leave that in the background. Calculator. There you go. Play Store and App Store. Very close. Search for Lyft. Leave it on this page. Amazon Shopping. Give that to the S9 Plus. Click on this deal of the day. Leave it right there. eBay on both. S9 Plus. Click on this HP laptop. Leave it on this page. This one, NFL. Ooh, very close. Maybe the XS on this one. Baseball app. Give this to the XS. Super Mario Run. Loading on the S9 Plus. And give the win to the S9 Plus on this. A little bit faster on the XS though, running the game. Leave that running. Subway Surf. XS a little bit ahead. Tap to play. Leave that running. In the background, Asphalt 9. Ooh, give the win to the S9 Plus on this. Tap the play button. Leave that running. PUBG Mobile. Check this one out real quick. XS a little bit ahead. Looks like the XS is gonna take this one. Gonna wait for the S9. Open up Fortnite. Give the win to the XS on Fortnite. Check out that Galaxy skin though on the S9. Very nice. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, looks like the XS is way ahead. Yeah, the XS is gonna take this one. Instagram, S9 Plus on this, and Snapchat, S9 Plus again. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now, starting with Instagram, still in RAM, San Andreas, ready to play on both, Fortnite, and ready to play on both, as you can see. This one, good to go on both, Asphalt 9, still in RAM on both, Subway Surf, pause and ready to resume on both phones, Mario Run, good to go on both, Baseball app, same place, NFL, same place on both, eBay, a little bit faster on the iPhone on that, see Amazon. Okay, I think we have a reload on the S9 Plus. Still on lift on both on the App Store and Play Store, calculator, same place. The browsers, a little bit faster on the iPhone. Clock is still running in the background. Camera. You guys are the judges. Messages. There you go. Phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this classic matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XS or the XS Max with a notch, no headphone jack, a slow charger, and no headphone adapter? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking the Note 9 or an S9 Plus like this one, S8 or Note 8? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.